Hello beautiful people, hi, how are you? I hope you guys are doing fabulous. I'm doing fabulous because I got my nails done. I did my nails. I didn't got them done. I did my nails. So today I have a nail tutorial for you guys. I haven't done one since last year, I think. And actually this brand reached out to me asking if I want to try out their products, and I said hello, obviously send it to me. And oh my god, like the aesthetic of this kit is absolutely princess vibe. Like, look at that packaging, everything looks so immaculate. My voice cracked. Everything looks so beautiful, and oh my god, this kit is only 27 euros 99 cents on Amazon, which is absolutely amazing. It says hello gorgeous. Hi you guys, I don't want this intro to be too long, but I need to tell you guys this. So I'm a righty and it's hard for me to do my right hand with my left one, and oh my god, the formula of this polygel is absolutely amazing because when it touches that slip solution, it doesn't get watery and it doesn't get everywhere. You can control it. It's very manageable, and that was super mind-blowing to me because I did try a few brands before, and some of the polygel I've tried so far, they do that. Like the moment they touch the slip solution, they chill out and they go everywhere and they're super messy. But this formula didn't do that, and I'm not saying that because this was sent to me. Heck not. This is my honest opinion. So I was super blown away by the formula of this polygel. It was easy for me to do my right hand. Somehow I managed to stay away from my cuticles, and that's super hard for me. Even on my left hand sometimes I do touch my cuticles, but with this formula it was super easy to to guide it where you want, and it was super manageable. Oh my god, you guys, you will see in the video how easy it is. Hello! I obviously forgot to mention that I do have a coupon code for you guys to use. You'll save 10% off. The code is vera. I will put that right here. I also have their website down below, and wait a second because I'm not sure if the code works on Amazon or only on their website. I will have to ask Shirley about that, and I will have that info for you guys down below. Make sure you check the description box. So yeah, save 10% off with my code. Oh, I'm very professional, as we all know. Yeah, I guess that's it for this intro. If you guys want to see how easy it was for me to do my own nails at home with this polygel kit from TOBEGLAM, and you guys, quick disclaimer, I'm not a nail professional. I have no idea about polygels, nails. I do this at home. So yeah, please keep that in mind. I'm not a nail professional. I don't know much about nails. I just like to do my nails at home using polygel because I find polygel being the easiest way for me to do my nails at home. Yeah, if you guys have any tips for me to, to perfect my technique, I guess, let them down below. And without any further ado, please watch the video and see how easy it was for me to create my beautiful princess nail with this TOBEGLAM kit. And without any further ado, let's begin because it takes me 3 hours, 4 hours to do my nails. I know that's not the vibe. As we saw, this kit comes with forms. I'm not really a fan because I don't know how to do my nails with forms. So I already picked one that matches my nail. I'm going to try to do only one on camera because, as I said, I don't know how to do my nails with forms. I mean, it doesn't work for me since I already have long nails. These are my nails, okay? They're pretty long, and I love that it comes with instructions, so I'm going to try to follow the instructions. I also like that they provide us with two different styles form. So we have the pointy one and this one. You can make them rounded or square or however your heart desires. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to remove the excess oil and I'm using acetone. So next I'm going to go with the base. I love the packaging, like this soft baby pink. Oh my god, absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of this base and I'm going to cure it for about 60 seconds. So obviously I'm going to do my left hand on camera because I'm a righty and my left hand always looks better than my right hand, so that's that. I'm going to cure this. So I'm going to use these 4 colors. I'm going to try to mix them, but I'm seeing this 3 right here. They have glitters or shine. I don't know. Let's open them to see. Now you see it. This is absolutely beautiful. It's like a baby pink and it has a lot of shimmers, more like. I don't really see glitter. Purple one. Again, I don't see glitter. I'm really sorry, my camera is so shady. Wow, this is so beautiful. You guys see that is almost the same color as the packaging. This is so beautiful. Okay, so I have my slip solution here. First I'm going to go with You're My Queen, and again, I don't know how much should I apply, so I hope I nailed it. I don't know. Next I'm going to take my little brush and I'm going to spread that nicely. This is thick. I really like that. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just spreading this. Okay, and next I want just a little bit of this purple at the end. I really like that this form, it has little guides, so you can pick the size and which shape you like. That's very helpful. Ready. It doesn't burn, which is really nice. What? Oh my god, she's so cute! But I applied a lot. I'm going to remove the sticky layer because I want to file. So I'm going to file this very quick. Alright, obviously I have to file this a little bit more and maybe use a buffer around the base, but not bad. I'm not gonna use forms because, as I said, I don't really like them because I have long nails. It doesn't fit my nails. As you can see right here, it needs a little bit of adjustment. I hope you guys can see that. But that's my nail, and the polygel didn't got on my nail right there. Not a big deal, but because I have long nails, I feel like I keep repeating myself, they don't fit my nails, okay? I wanted to show you guys that I struggle using the plastic forms, so I'm going to show you how I usually do my nails now. And you guys, no matter how much I stay away from my cuticles, is impossible. So I'm going to go with this nude one. I'm going to pick this much and I'm going to apply it closer to the base. I hope you guys can see that. I do really like how manageable this is. I mean, yeah, it's pretty thick, but if you have the right amount of solution on your brush, that makes it so manageable, and I really like that. So I'm going to focus mostly at the base with this shade because I'm going to go with the glittery one on top. I do feel a little bit how it burns, but it's not that intense for me to want to remove the hand. Alright, next I'm going to go with pretty much and I usually go like this, but because this is too thick, I don't know if I'm able to do that. Let me see. I mean, yeah, but it gets messy. Oh my god, that's so beautiful, and the fact that it's not going everywhere right now because it has a little bit of that slip solution on top, that's absolutely amazing. So I feel like this is pretty much beginner friendly. You just have to make sure your brush is always wet, you know? so it won't stick on the brush. Oh my god, I love this. Alright, so this is how it looks cured. I don't feel like I need to do much filing on this one. I mean, just a little bit to make it more even. I need to give them the final shape and apply top coat on top, and that's it. Oh my god, this was quick. Like, I'm not even joking. I think it took me 1 hour to do 5 nails, and that's not that much. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. I feel like if you use the plastic form, it will take you less time. So yeah, 1 hour for 5 nails. I mean, that's pretty damn good. And final step, top coat. Alright guys, so there you have it. Oh my goodness. I want to keep this video as short as possible, but I really wanted to include this little clip of me doing my right hand with my left one. As I said in the beginning, it's hard for me to make the nails look at least okay on my right hand. So with this polygel, I'm telling you, the formula is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'm not saying this because it was sent to me. I had to try it out, and if it didn't work out for me, I would absolutely say that. I feel like this is beginner friendly, so yeah. Alright guys, so that's it. I really hope this video is helpful. If you guys want to start playing with polygel, if you guys want to start doing your own nails at home. I've been doing my own nails for about 2 years now, and I feel like I developed some skills, if I say so myself. My nails are not ugly, but they are not perfect, because I'm not perfect. I don't know much about nails, you know. I just like to play with polygel and make my nails look cute. You know, practice makes perfect. That rule applies to everything, to makeup, hair, nails, skincare, whatever. Yeah, I hope you find this video helpful, and I really like that this comes with instructions, so make sure you follow the instructions. That's it, you guys. Let me know down below if you guys use polygel, if you do your own nails at home, what you like to use, gel, acrylic, polygel, semi-permanent, whatever. What do you like to use? Let me know down below, because I want to know, you know, I want to know. I feel like this is such a good deal because it comes with everything you need to start doing your nails. You just have to purchase this lip solution. That's very affordable on Amazon as well. So it comes with a little lamp, with base coat, with top coat. The brush is absolutely amazing. It's so small and so precise. Oh, my cat scared me. Then you have the file. You have 6 different polygels. Let's not forget the forms. You have the stiletto, and then you have the rounded, or you can make it square. That's absolutely a bargain. $27.99. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm done. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know down below what you think. And that's it. Bye guys. I love doing this. I don't know why. What? How dare you to sweat? Never mind. I wanted to include that little clip. Okay, bye.